Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate your Robinhood tax documents, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate your Robinhood tax documents, start by logging into your Robinhood account. Navigate to the account icon, which is usually located at the bottom right corner of the app. Select Statements and History from the menu options. You will find various documents listed, including your tax documents. Identify and select the relevant tax document for the year you need. Typically, this will be a Form 1099, which summarizes your earnings and transactions for tax purposes. Once you click on the document, it will open for review. To ensure authenticity, check for your account information at the top of the document. Verify that all details, such as your name and social security number, are correct. Next, look for the digital watermark or certification that indicates the document is official. If you are using the website, you can also download the tax document for further verification. To do this, click on the download icon, which is generally found in the upper right corner. Save the document to your computer for your records. Make sure to keep a backup in a secure location. Once you have your document downloaded, print it if needed for your tax filing. Review the document one last time to ensure all information is readable and accurate. If you notice any discrepancies, contact Robinhood support for assistance. Make sure to keep your tax documents secure and confidential. Once authenticated, you are ready to use your Robinhood tax documents for filing your taxes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.